Welcome back to Nikit Engineers Welding Automation and Robotics Solutions India. Today, we have something exciting to share with you. We are diving into the world of precision welding with our 1.5 mm thick muffler bracket circular weld trials. In the world of welding, precision is everything. Whether you are in the automotive, aerospace, or any other manufacturing industry, getting the perfect weld is crucial. That's where Nikit Engineers comes in. Our talented team of engineers has been hard at work, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in welding automation and robotics. And today, we're about to showcase the result of their dedication and expertise. Our state-of-the-art circular welder, equipped with advanced technology, is taking on the challenge of welding a 1.5 mm thick muffler bracket with absolute precision. Now, let's talk technical. Our circular welder system is programmed with the most advanced welding parameters, ensuring a stable arc, consistent penetration, and minimal distortion. As you can see, the weld joint is flawless, with no visible defects. This level of precision is what sets Nikit Engineers apart in the welding automation industry. Our goal is to provide our clients with the best possible welding solutions. With our expertise in cutting-edge technology, we can achieve consistent, high-quality welds, even on materials as thin as 1.5 mm. And here's the proof. Our circular welder can handle high-volume production, ensuring efficiency and repeatability, all while maintaining the highest standards of quality. Thank you for joining us today on this exciting journey through precision welding. If you have any questions or welding challenges of your own, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Nikit Engineers. Remember, when it comes to welding automation, we're the experts you can trust.